seeing the changes in oneself that propels one a step further into the future is a really different kind of satisfaction.
As a young woman from one of the developing parts of the world, I appreciate the opportunity to explore new things, to learn, also to inspire positive change. And the YESS Girls movement has been this place for me.
Joining, guiding, and seeing young women tell their transformed life stories inspired me.
The opportunity to get into the plane for the very first time was a sign to me that a very impactful journey had begun. Seeing new places, meeting new people from different countries with diverse cultures, new languages, I felt liberated.
This incredible life experience has provided me with an invaluable opportunity to forge new relationships and connections, perspectives, personal to professional skills, and knowledge to shape a future where I can have a significant impact in this world.
Surely, this is a journey of a lifetime.
C'est sûrement le voyage d'une vie.
Surely, this is a journey of a lifetime.
C'est sûrement le voyage d'une vie.
Surely, this is a journey of a lifetime.